Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. Start by powering down your Lenovo Legion set and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during this process. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop puntio. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are usually covered by heatsinks. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the area around these components to avoid any dust interference. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. Now, let's focus on the thermal paste. Using a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth, carefully wipe away the old thermal paste from both the CPU and GPU surfaces. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free from any residue. This step is vital for optimal thermal conductivity. Once the surfaces are clean, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU and GPU is sufficient. When the heatsink is reattached, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. After applying the thermal paste, carefully reattach the heatsinks. Make sure to align them properly and secure them with the screws you removed earlier. It's important to tighten these screws in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure across the surface. Once the heatsinks are secured, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that all components are securely in place and that no tools are left inside. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion. See it and monitor the temperatures using software tools. You should notice a significant improvement in thermal performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision about your device's maintenance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.